Carpet beetles. Sounds like a band, but they're actually tiny, uninvited guests that love your carpets and clothes. Their favorite places? Carpet edges, closets, and drawers. First step to being beetle-free? A major cleanup. Vacuum those carpets, wash those fabrics, and declutter the closets. Beetles hate clean spaces almost as much as I hate running out of coffee. Now, let's whip up our beetle-busting spray, starting with neem oil. It's like sending beetles an eviction notice that they can't ignore. Water's next. It's the perfect partner for neem oil, making sure the spray gets delivered to every corner. Mix about 2 tablespoons of neem oil with a quart of water in a spray bottle. Give it a good shake, like you're mixing a beetle-repelling potion. Spray your neem oil concoction in those beetle hotspots we talked about. It's a gentle reminder to them that it's time to pack up and leave. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.